Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your portfolio with Behance, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify your portfolio on Behance, start by logging into your Behance account. Next, navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner. Once on your profile page, look for the settings option in the drop-down menu. In the settings panel, locate the verification section. Here, you can find the option to request verification for your portfolio. Click on the Request Verification button to begin the process. Next, you'll need to provide a valid reason for your verification request. Make sure to include relevant details about your work and why you're seeking verification. Behance typically requires a link to an external portfolio or website to validate your credentials. If applicable, copy and paste your website link in the designated field. After filling in all required information, review everything to ensure it's accurate. Once confirmed, submit your verification request. You'll receive an email notification once your request has been processed. This can take several days, so be patient while waiting for a response. If approved, your portfolio will display a verified badge. This badge helps to enhance your credibility within the creative community. If your request is denied, carefully review any feedback provided by Behance. You may want to address any issues before reapplying for verification. Keep your portfolio updated with your best work to increase your chances of success. Engage with the Behance community to further establish your presence and credibility. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.